Alright, here we go. We've got another tutorial for GCCA on updating their website with some new news posts. And we're going to go ahead and get started. And here we go. We're on our home page here, and I'm already logged in. So as you can see, under Welcome Admin, that's my name, we have a link on the left side here for dashboard. Alright, now we're going to do this here. We're going to do a new news post. You have a couple of different categories on your website. You have news and also conference news. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a post for each, and the first one will have an image just so you can get the hang of that. But pretty basic stuff. On your dashboard page here on the left, you can see there is a posts little drop down there, and if that's not expanded, you just click that, and then there's the add new. So let's do that. We're going to add a new post. Alright, zooming out here just so you can take a look at it. Here's your screen. Pretty basic WordPress WYSIWYG editor, as we call it. What you see is what you get. Perfect and great for someone who may be a novice at the whole web thing. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to do a sample post. And you can see here's the little space here for your title. So we're just going to do sample news post. Alright. And this is just general, we're going to say this is general GCCA news. Alright, so whenever you make a post, you got to have your title. And on the right here, you have categories. That's what I was talking about. I checked off GCCA news. Alright. Some tags would be great to help people search. As you can see, as you saw earlier, you have a search box on your website little area. So I'm just going to say, you know, sample general. So if there's a specific topic, like for instance your cookbook that you had in your last post, it'd be a good idea to kind of put that in some you know, relevant terms. Like if there's meatloaf in there, you know, I'm not put meatloaf in there. I don't know. It's kind of up to you, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to go back over here to the left. All right, not going to put a whole lot in here. I'm going to put a picture. So let me do that real quick. So you see, you got the visual editor, which is probably what you want to be working with. I would not worry about the HTML. I don't know why it was up there, but you have two tabs on the right here, visual and HTML, above your editor. So you want to just go ahead and click on visual if you're not already in there. There's a lot of goodies here, a lot of stuff you'll know. It's a bold italic, paragraphs, ordered and unordered lists, things of that sort. So we're just going to type in, you know, just, you know, a quick little blurb. Quick little blurb. Alright. And I'm starting a new paragraph. Just hit the return there. And I'm going to upload or insert an image. You see above the area there. So the first little box there is add an image. You can add video, audio, other stuff, flash or whatever, but you know, for our purposes, we're gonna start kind of simple and say we're gonna add an image. Cool things about WordPress, which is loading up now. Zoom out. What's happening here is the Flash uploader is loading. Yeah, there we go. So now you can see you can add an image from your computer. How much easier does it get? We're going to choose our file to upload. Alright, let me just kind of zoom out a little bit. Looking for something that I can upload. Didn't think much about that, did I? Let's see, I have a folder called Desktop Pics. That'll work. I'm just going to choose a picture of me and my friend Adam. This is me when I had a huge beard on the right. And my friend Adam, who is a fantastic man, a former roommate. Great man. Alright, so we got a title. I'm going to change it. And alternate text, in case the image doesn't show up, a little text shows up there. So you change that. If you want to put a caption on it, you can do that, and there'll be a caption underneath it. That's what I'll do. I have everything default to set to full size, so you don't have to worry about resizing or anything like that. You know, you can do that in your photo editor or Picasso or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and align this left. Well, it's automatically, but you know, if you have any experience with a WYSIWYG editor, that's par for the course. So we're going to insert it into the post. It's kind of hard to say. I have it set, since there's a caption, there's a little frame around it. Alright, so I'm going to zoom out and go ahead and publish this, and I'm going to show you what we got here. We hit the publish button, and let's hit view post. I'm going to open that in a new tab real quick. We're going to take a look at it. Alright, so there it is. And look at that. It says that it's courtesy of Jenny Luke. I'm not really sure why that I'm showing up as Jenny Luke, but there it is. This is a sample news post, and let me show you real quick on the home page, the about page, kind of nifty little feature I put in there, the latest news, and I think I have the latest 5 set up to show the feed contents right here. So that is a under the GCCA news, the general news category. It'll show up right there. So it'll work the same, of course. If you got some conference news you need to post, it'll show up right here in this box. So kind of neat stuff. Neat little headlines there for the user. And I think we're almost done. What I want to show you there is obviously if you want to change this, you can you know, continue editing. If you want to, you know, from this window, if you think of something later and need to come back to it, you can edit posts. And there's our list of posts. What I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to trash this post because I don't want it anymore. Sorry, Adam. Alright, so now we're going to visit our home page again. Oh, open that up. And as you can see, it's not there anymore because I deleted it. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, well, I think that's it. That's a quick little primer on making your posts with your categories, your tags, image uploaded, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and talk to you guys soon.